Na kejeng lap ke bathamai kan long kejeng mentoi ke bakrau. Habai day berkejeng pynkhuid ikijak lea ke badon hakiwa bat kejaka penlang ha kejelahi berok kawai. Hene kesngi ha ke kendong rela ha ke thany maudun jo ke Dam Umïam kejaka ke khring bah ke nong jngohkai pyrthei ha kejela ke Sarkar Meghalaya lang bak Smart Village Movement ha kejeng itrelang bat ke teknologi partner Clearbot ke la penlong ya kejeng penipaj ba bat pyndonkam yaki all integrated marine robotic boat na ka benda ban lumi ki jaklia ki baper hasla si benda ban pej ya kejeng ka bede bat ka bor mariang kani kejeng sedang ban pen iya ka rukam pynkhuid ya ka Dam Umïam kala sedang hene kesngi ha ka ba ki ladon ki kenhun ki bawan ban sakhi ya kani kejeng pen i ban lum ya ka jabo ka baper hasla jong kani ka dam.
We have come here. I'm Utkarsh.
I'm Siddhant. We are the co-founders of Clearbot. We have a company where we make unmanned boats that are able to clean garbage out of the water.
Okay. And what is exactly that you all are doing here? If you can tell us more about that.
Sure. Today we are here in Shillong in Umïam Lake, and as you can see behind me, it's quite dirty. So today we've got our robot, which is driving around and collecting the garbage out of the water.
Okay. And do you think, firstly, can you tell us more about Clearbot, this machine or this robot that you've all invented? What's the capacity of collecting waste and more about that?
Sure. So the current version that's here today, it can pick up 200 kgs in weight and about 1 cubic meter in volume. And actually we have bigger versions that can do even more amount if required. And the machine can work either in radio control mode and can be operated by anybody. Or it can work in autonomous mode, where we set the GPS location and it can clean on its own.
Okay.
And it runs fully electric, so it doesn't burn any kind of fuel. Right? And we can run it for about 4 hours on a daily basis. And it collects about 200 kgs in its full capacity in terms of the waste.
Looking at the waste here that has accumulated at Umïam River, how many Clearbots will be required to clear up the waste here?
We actually have a bigger version of the boat, and I think with just one boat in a few months, we can actually clear this space up. But of course, if we have more boats, it's always faster.
Yeah,
right?
so I was saying the more boats, the better. I guess it's kind of endless, but we propose, hey, have 5 to 10 boats here and clean this up as quickly.
Okay. And can you tell us, this robot has been used firstly where, if you can tell us more about that?
Actually, this robot is being built in Bangalore, in India. And we started in India, the first time usage in Bangalore. And we're also using it outside India. So for example, in Hong Kong, there's a fleet of boats, multiple boats there. And in Bangalore, we've piloted in Banaras, in Varanasi before, and also in Kerala before. So, but this is our first time in the Northeast. And this is very new technology that we're bringing here, and hopefully able to help the water condition here.
This is your first experience cleaning up such waste like this, or can you tell us your experience?
I think this is the first time, we came here on Monday to scout the site. I was visibly shook by the amount of waste here. But since Wednesday, we've been coming every day to clean this up. And I think this is the first time we've had to deal with so much waste, but we've also built our machines to deal with it. So I hope this pilot sort of satisfies all of the local authorities that this robot is a feasible solution.
Okay. Anything else that you would like to say?
We really hope that we are able to have a robot in Shillong and clean up the lake. I hope the government and the public will support us in our mission.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, so my name is pyndonkam. I'm the project fellow at Smart Village Movement. So I'm also the lead of this project here.
Okay. And
Actually, as a Smart Village Movement, we look for for technology, for some kind of innovation and technology where we can solve the pain points and address the challenges of the people. Actually, so here, as you can see that all these ways, this is a pain point for all for the fishermen, for the community, as well as for the institution and corporation. So what we do is we find out technologies, companies who have this technology that can clear, that can solve the solution. The pain points of all the citizens.
okay, how many months or years has it taken for you to start or begin this initiative?
So actually, I'm as a project lead. So as a project lead, it's not it doesn't take time actually. So we just started in the last year in October. So we started to to find some solutions. So we started from October. Then in this month, I mean this year, we find our partner Clearbot. So with them, with their expertise, we bring in this technology again.
Okay. So next, what's going to happen after this pilot project?
So after the demonstration, we'll show to the government that this can be a very good model for cleaning the water bodies, and also it can be it's not like just a project. It can also be a vision for a cleaner Umïam Lake or cleaner water bodies.
Okay.
Yeah.
And from your assumption, what do you think is the total waste that has accumulated here? How much, like, will it take months or years to get this whole thing cleaned up?
So as per the data, the recorded data from the government, every day around 20 to 25 tons it accumulates this solid waste. So just imagine, in per day that machine can only collect 200 kg. So I think it needs.
One good thing that you all are doing here is cleaning up.
Yes.
However, we also need to end from where it's coming. We see, Martin, there's
Yes.
the landfill, it's overflowing.
Yeah.
So similarly, will there be a way for a smart village movement to also work on that, or what's your plan?
So actually, as of now, we are not thinking of that. So we are just focusing on cleaning this river and lakes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.